Alright gentlemen, welcome back to another video. My name is Will, this is HardCity RainDrops, and it is springtime, my absolute favorite time of the year. Well, I like summer probably a little bit more, but springtime, it just makes me feel great. I love the spring. I love when it just changes to nice weather, daylight savings, baseball. Oh, I love it. So, anyway, today's video is going to be about a little bit of grooming stuff for you gentlemen. And ladies, if maybe you're looking for something to get your man for a present or something like that, this video is going to be right up your alley. So, here at the HardCity, we do everything from grooming, lifestyle, fitness, education, firearms, etc. You know the deal here, guys. We have a little bit of everything, plus the podcast. So, but today we're doing, like I said, grooming stuff. This is going to be specifically about beard oil and like a beard care system. So I get a lot of questions on my beard. I don't know why. I don't really have a big one. I've done videos in the past, and the one video that's been taken off lately, I had a pretty big beard, so I had some questions on that. So I figured I would make a new video and update on what that is. So first things first, I wanted to go over a few tools you're going to need, definitely if you want to get into growing a beard. That is going to be a good comb and a good brush. Now, I like a Kent comb. I use this to get the tangles and the knots out of my beard. That's what I use this for. It folds up, it goes in your pocket. This is a Kent Saw Cut 82T. It's an awesome comb. But the definite number one thing you're going to want to get is a beard brush. This is a boar bristle beard brush from Pierce Noble. It's really stiff. You're going to want to get one of these because it's going to brush all those hairs into one direction. It's going to pull the beard. It's going to help your beard grow, be healthy, exfoliate the skin underneath your beard. It's just a must-have. I have two. One stays in my EDC bag just in case my beard's all over the place. And I also keep this in my bag too. But this is for at home, before I leave, when I'm going out, all that good stuff. I work in a body shop. There's a lot of dirt, a lot of dust. And then I go to the gym usually after work, so I have to wash my face. But you're going to want to keep in mind, you don't want to use shampoo or hair stuff in your beard. That's not what you want to do. You want to use something separate. But first, I always have to wash my face because, you know, it is what it is. I like to keep my face clean, no acne, no dirt, oil. So just real quick, I like to use the Jack Black Daily Facial Cleanser. That's what I use. It's awesome. And then I always use, usually my go-to is Malin & Goats. This is face moisturizer. But in the summertime when I'm out in the sun a lot, I use face moisturizer either by Tiege Hanley or someone else that has an SPF rating in it. Tiege Hanley is my favorite for that. So, but you have to get a subscription package to get it. They don't sell the things individual as far as I know. But anyway, that is for face moisturizer. I get a really dry face and all that. So, but now that I do that and keep up with that all the time, my face, I don't break out anymore or anything, and it's just awesome. So make sure you guys are cleaning your face, and make sure you're using face moisturizers before bed and before you go out, and that sun will tear your face up. You have to use something with sunblock in it, period. Alright, so now, the main event. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I bought all this stuff with my own money. I don't have any sponsors, guys, yet. I want to, and I hope to get something soon going, but as of right now, I don't have any sponsors. So everything you see on here is bought with my own money, alright? So, what I usually go to is Beard Bastard. That's been my beard oil for the last year. And Honest Amish. But right now, this has been my go-to. This is Beard Bastard, the Opium Den. And this is like it's like a vanilla cigar scent. It's really amazing. Vanilla tobacco-ish scent, coffee / maybe mix in there. It's amazing. Okay, I like it. It's still probably going to be shoved aside a little bit now because I have something new to show you guys. Now, this is, and I could be saying this wrong, but I think it's called ARTIUS Man. I'm not 100% sure, but there is the wash. Alright, now this stuff is premium to the max. I mean, it's pretty pricey, but you know what? The scent of it is absolutely amazing. Alright, so what I like to do is, like, as you see, the beard wash, you wash your beard with this and get a nice little lather, dime size. You only need a little bit. The good thing about all these products you're going to see on the grooming side of this channel are pretty premium, pretty expensive from the grooming lounge, like the Molten and Brown body wash and You know, the Molten and Brown deodorant, or the cologne that I'm gonna review soon on here that Frank Sinatra wore that's over $100 and in a small bottle. But the thing about these kind of things that are expensive and it's high quality, like even as far as like this goes, like face wash, like this stuff lasts a long time because you only need a little bit of it. Like the Molten and Brown body wash, the black pepper charge is amazing. You only need a tiny little bit of it. It makes you smell amazing. It washes you. It's great. But anyway, this is about beard oil. So what I'm saying is though, this stuff, you only need a tiny little bit. You only need a tiny little bit of this wash. And dime size, you lather it up and you get it into the beard, rinse it with warm water, and you're good to go. Now, generally, you're going to want to do this in the shower, right? But since, you know, I work in a place where it's constantly dirty, there's dust and whatever, you know, I like to get home and wash my face and my beard before I go out to the gym or wherever I got to go. Now, sometimes I go right from work. I go right to the gym after work. But in this case, I wanted to come and make this video. Plus, I was doing heavy fiberglass work today and all that dust and nastiness. I'm not going to go work out with all that on me anyway, so I figured I would just wash up. So you get a nice lather, rinse it, do that, pat it dry. Then I put face moisturizer on my face, and then we're going to come and apply the beard balm. So according to the directions, you only need to use one or the other, but we're going to use both. Sometimes I like to use both. It depends, you know, on you, I guess. I mean, you could use both. You don't have to. It's up to you. So I already have this in because I had to retake this video because the first one didn't look right with the lighting and stuff. So I'm just going to kind of swipe a tiny bit, but you only need, guys, like for a beard my size, which isn't much, you only need a tiny, tiny bit of this stuff. So, and I should mention real quick, like that's all I'm going to use just because it's already in there, and I really wouldn't use that much more than that to begin with. And it's fair to note that after I applied the wash and I came in here and I started combing my beard, I immediately noticed how soft my beard was without even applying anything else. That's just with the wash in there. And that's a pretty amazing feeling. So, you know, you just kind of rub it through your hands and then just like so. I'm going to kind of just look at my mirror real quick instead of looking at the camera like a weirdo. And that's pretty much all you're going to do. Now, you can get the excess and you can do it a little bit on your eyebrows, and you can also put it in your hair too. It's not going to hurt your hair. It's actually only going to help your hair. So you could do that, and that's pretty much all you're going to do. So then just real quick, I just like to get my brush and just kind of brush it through. Now's a good time to leave a thumbs up if you haven't already. I really would appreciate that. Thank you. You're just going to kind of run that through there. And what this brush is going to do is exfoliate the skin. It's going to help hydrate your beard better. It's going to get that all the product in through the beard underneath and help it just be stronger and more healthy beard. And that's where you're going to see some growth. But also, you know, keep in mind, guys, if you continue to cut and trim your beard, it's not going to grow. So keep your natural lines as best as you can and only trim it maybe once every 2 weeks or so. That is the trick. And only really trim, the only thing I really do right here, like under my lip, like that, and just kind of get it off under your lip there and just kind of get some stragglers off. Don't cut your beard. That's how it's going to grow. I don't really like mine any more than this, but I am trying to get it more full under here and stuff. So now the beard oil is, we're going to use the same thing, just a tiny bit. As you can see, guys, it's just, I don't even know if you can see that, but right here, I mean, just a little bit. Get it in there. Oh, this stuff smells absolutely amazing. This has to be the best beard scent I have ever smelled. Put a little bit in your eyebrows. I like to get a little bit over my arms. Don't be afraid to put in your eyebrows. And like I said, even the oil, you can run it through your hair as well. Not a big deal. It's not going to hurt it. It's actually only going to help it. So, man, guys, this is like it's like a black licorice liquor type of smell. And man, is it amazing. So with the oil, once the oil's in there, I try to just not go so deep with the brush, and I just kind of gently run it over the top. Make sure the hair, the beard hair is all going in one direction. I know it's like, you know, if you have the right stuff, your beard will grow. It'll look great. You know, if you're a single guy and you wear this stuff out, you're getting complimented on it. Girls are gonna be all over you with this stuff. I can't wait to show you guys this new cologne too that I got. It is amazing. You have to go check it out when I show you. So those are all future videos. So one last thing before I go, I gotta show you guys. So you saw how we apply the beard wash, the beard balm, and the oil. That's just a little tiny bit of it. That's all you need. Just run it through your beard. Use a brush it in there. It'll exfoliate, it'll hydrate your beard, it'll pull the beard hair into one direction, it'll help you grow, and you'll have a healthy, strong beard, and it'll smell amazing with this stuff. Really amazing. But, it's tough to take care of your beard before bed, right? Like, I was always looking for that one thing, like, what do I do before bed? And I hated putting beard oil or balm in my beard and then going to lay in my expensive pillows and blankets and stuff where, like, beard oil's getting all over it. My dog's kind of, like, sniffing me and stuff, and, like, it getting all over the place. I found something that is called beard jelly oil. So this is Boss Man Gold Jelly Beard Oil. So this stuff works, basically you put it in before you go to bed, and what it's gonna do, it's not gonna like leave your beard super oily and greasy. Like, you know how like you pick up your phone and all of a sudden you'll have like this big oil mark across your cell phone. Now I'm not saying this stuff won't do that, but it's basically for before you go to bed. Now this stuff has like a tobacco type of scent to it, but it's really like a cigar vanilla scent. It's amazing. It's just, let me just say, like, I know that sounds bad, but tobacco smells when you light it on. Tobacco generally smells good, especially like pipe tobacco, but like it's not like I'm talking about like a burning ash scent, like a fire scent. This is amazing smelling. All right, so these scents are really good. I highly recommend you check them out. This is like more like a lemon, lavender, bergamot, cedarwood, spruce, rosemary. It's very like, it's like a vanilla cedarwood tobacco / great smelling scent. It's really, maybe not vanilla, but I don't know. It's amazing. And what it's gonna do is while you're sleeping, it's gonna hydrate your beard. You're gonna wake up with not a itchy beard that's like gonna, you're gonna want to, you're scratching, you're waking up in the middle of the night, you got that beard itch. You're not gonna get that with this stuff, especially if you're using these kind of shampoos and stuff during the day, because this stuff, honestly, the more you wash your beard, the more you're stripping out the natural oils. You don't want to wash your beard every single day unless you absolutely have to, and if you do have to do it every day, you only need to use a little tiny bit. Like, this stuff goes tremendous amounts away. You don't want to use hair shampoo because that's going to strip all the oils out of there. The natural oils your beard and your face produces. You don't want to use shampoo. This stuff will do what it's supposed to do. That's why it's for beard. So your skin is different from this area down. It's tougher, it's stronger. Your face skin is different than anything else on your body. That's why you got to use separate stuff for it. So anyway, check out this stuff for bedtime, guys. If you want to keep your beard hydrated before you go to sleep, you don't want to wake up with an itchy beard, a brittle, not soft beard, this stuff is what you're going to want to use for it. I believe this is an Amazon product. I'll leave the link below for it. I do have Amazon affiliate I'm working on right now, so maybe you'll see that up there. And I'll leave the link for Bearded Bastard and this stuff here. And I'll also leave a link below for the YouTuber that I found this stuff on, who, if you watch his video and go to his content, you'll get a 10% discount code. I'm not going to put his discount code in the description. I feel like that's jacked up. He worked for that. I'm going to lead you to his channel. I feel like he deserves that. That's the right way to do it. I'll lead you to his channel, more on beard stuff. He's better at it. He's got a bigger beard and all that. That's called Beard Tube or Tube Beard or something. I don't know. I'll leave the link. I forget. Cool guy. Awesome reviews on beard products. So he has discount codes for this stuff where it's 10% off. And, it's the right thing to do, I feel like. If you're going to do that and shout someone out, lead them to their channel. Don't spam their stuff that they work for. So, anyway, that is what I got going on so far. So, guys, please like, share, subscribe. I really appreciate that. Leave me a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell for updated videos. I got lots of videos coming. It is springtime, so that means we got the fashion stuff coming soon, to where we're going to do, like, outfits collided with everyday carry. So like different outfits you guys can wear for spring. I got that coming up. And you can collaborate with your everyday carries to be very stylish and fashionable, but still carry firearms, knives, flashlights, and all that cool gear. Say hello to Storm. She loves the scent, right, Mama? What is that? Yes. So, yeah, please like, share, subscribe. Support the channel by doing so. I'll see you guys in the next one. Keep an eye out for these future videos because I got lots and lots coming. And thank you all for your support. I'll see you next time. Peace.